So if you wanted to print your plan view from TBC and you have the field data edition, what you can do is first create a plot box. So on the quick access toolbar at the top, you'll see the printer icon and a little down arrow next to it. And what you'll do is you'll start by clicking on the plot box. And what this is going to do is going to ask you for a plot box, so I can give it a name, I can set it on a layer, and then I can also set the scale of this box. And then you pick your paper size. So basically at a 50 scale, if I say I want to plot this to a 24 by 36 inch piece of paper, you can see that the plot box width is going to be just about a ½ inch smaller. And it's going to ask you for a location of the lower left corner. So I'm going to pick over here, and now it's asking me for the rotation angle. So this line that you see here, not the one going vertically, but the one that I'm orienting, is going to be the left edge of the paper. So when I click here, you can see this arrow. This is the left edge of the paper, and that's the lower left corner. So when this plots, this will actually be up, almost upside down, right? North is going to be kind of pointed in a downward direction. Okay, so if you want to change this or modify it, you can change and modify the plot box. So if you pick it, you'll see that there's some grips. So I can move this object around, and I can pick this and rotate it. So basically this is the orientation. If I was plotting this, this would be the orientation, this is the left edge of the paper, and this is up. All right, so if I wanted to, I can rotate this guy down, and it's going to plot, basically in this orientation.